So I'm doing a throttle cable replacement on a Ttr 50 2014. I didn't see any videos on YouTube on how to do it, so I figured I'd throw one up. My throttle cable busted right here, and for some reason unknown to me, it's not allowing the throttle to twist. It's the return cable. So it's pretty simple. Disassembled this. Throttle cable runs down through. You want to unhook these little ends from the throttle tube to make it give you a little more slack in the cable to undo down here. Cable runs down through here. Just do that. And then right here is where it connects to the carburetor. And I went and took the seat off, which is just two 10mm bolts here. This side cover, which is a Phillips, holds it on here, and I have mine zip tied back here because the plastic tabs are missing. And then you just have to take this cover off of there with two Phillips screws, and then your carb ends are held on by these little brass things. So basically you stick that end in this brass fitting and then spin your throttle up, and you can see where the brass goes into the holes. Really pretty simple, it's not too difficult. I'm just halfway through the job, decided I might want to take a video, put it on and help somebody else out. So, and then there's just an 8mm bolt holding the upper cable in, and this one just unscrews and pulls through. Thanks everybody.